Hey friends, it's Elizabeth from Medero Green Moments. Welcome back. Today I have a big box from Young Living, hence the title, Unboxing of Essential Rewards from Young Living. And I'm going to be unboxing and sharing with you what I got. Alright, welcome back everybody. I am still figuring out this new house, where things are gonna go. My office is over there. It is the last room out of this whole house that we're like kind of renovating. Although we have lots of plans for the whole house. I have been very sporadic on this channel and I am sorry for that. I pride myself in being consistent and this move has done me in. We've been under construction and some trips that we've been taking and some plans that we've had in our lives, and so it's just been very, very, very busy, more than I anticipated, and something had to give, and unfortunately YouTube was that. However, as I'm filming this, today is the first day of school for my kiddos, so I have essential oils everywhere. I have potato soup in the crock pot. I have essential rewards over here to unbox that arrived 3 days ago, and I haven't even peeked because I want to unbox it with you. And I'm excited to get back to a routine. I know last year or this past year I really tried hard to do some live videos, and either internet connection, microphone connection, timing, it didn't quite work with everybody. So let me know in the comments down below, do you want to see live content if we can get it together, or would you rather see consistent content? Because live is very unpredictable. Dogs barking, plans last minute, that kind of thing. But if I can really pull it together and that's what you guys want, let me know in the comments down below. However, I have been consistent on our vlog channel and I know so many of you have jumped over there, and so we have been sharing Disney stuff, Disney trips, and I have so much more Disney content coming because we took a little trip this summer and stayed at the new Pop Century rooms. Oh my goodness, if you're following me on Instagram, Medero Vlog Moments, I've been sharing all those rooms and all the fun stuff there. But we just put up this past week our house tour of our home before this, and so we moved out, and so before we moved I made sure to do a whole home tour to share with you guys the house, and then this upcoming week I'll be sharing with you guys the kids' reaction to this house, and then super duper excited to share with you on that vlog channel a house tour, but sharing with you room by room what we're thinking about doing renovation wise, and want to get your perspective. Like, what would you do? How can we do it better? It's kind of like Chip and Joanna Gaines, but Elizabeth version on a budget. So it'll be exciting. We've got a lot of ideas of what we want to do, but I want to unbox my essential rewards with you. This is my August essential rewards. I made sure to place my order right away, and I'm sure you can already guess what's in this box based on the size, because back to school time for our family means making sure that we never run out of Ningxia Red. I honestly thought this stuff was a bunch of hullabaloo when I signed up, like I thought essential oils were before I signed up. And somebody said just try it, give it 30 days and see how you feel. So what I want to suggest to you is to trying it. What we found out is not only when we try it have we discovered a difference in our lives, our body, how we feel, but usually it's when we stop trying it, how we feel. I think without, like, I know Young Living doesn't treat, prevent, cure diseases, all that stuff, but when our bodies are not above the wellness line, we are feeling really crummy below the wellness line. And so back to school time definitely means keeping our body above the wellness line. So I'm making sure whether I add this with points or I purchase it. I bought the 2-bottle pack because I think we have 3 bottles stocked up, and I want to make sure that we are stocked on Ningxia. The kids take 1 to 2 ounces every single day, and if they're starting to feel below the wellness line, they definitely take 2 ounces, sometimes 4 or 6, depending on what we're doing. Okay, last month I unboxed this and shared with you guys, and I wanted to share with you my perspective. In the video I actually tried a little bit of this and it literally tasted like fruit punch, so I wanted to share with you what the kids thought. This arrived just before we went on our Disney trip, and I wanted to make sure that when we went on our trip that no one fell below the wellness line. So we made sure to take our supplements, we made sure to keep on top of that Ningxia Red, and one of the supplements for sure was probiotics. Again, another comment, because I really want to hear your feedback. I miss you guys. Do you want to see what supplements and essential oils and products we use to keep ourselves above the wellness line and what we used while we were at Disney this summer. If you do, leave a comment down below and let me know. And if you do, I'll film that video because we really like stayed on top of it this past Disney trip. And I am happy to say when we came home, we were all feeling as wonderful as when we left for the trip. So Mighty Pro Kids Probiotic Supplement. It's just like a powder, kind of like Fun Dip, and you just toss it in your mouth. Tastes really, really good. I really enjoyed it. My daughter, obsessed with it. My son, who is like the least pickiest eater ever, hates it. And I don't know why. I don't know if it's because when he brushes his teeth, I'm like, take a probiotic, and then it doesn't taste good. I don't know, but he doesn't mind Ningxia, so we're gonna keep on it. This has 30 packets, so we don't always do every day, but I try to with the kids, and so make sure to stock up on those. I definitely want to keep getting that on my Essential Rewards order for the kids. So Ningxia Red is a plus for us, and I'm really glad they did a probiotic. Now, Young Living, now if you're listening, I've mentioned it a million times, we want a kids cough drop. I want a Ningxia Red flavored cough drop for my kids. In fact, I would take it because the Thieves ones are too spicy. Okay, I think these are free oils and purchased oil. I think I purchased this, I can't remember, but I got peppermint. And I also got some wintergreen, which I'm pretty sure I got that for free with my points order. And then Ravensara, that is great for respiratory support. Wintergreen is great for muscle support. I usually use this after a workout. I love adding this. And then peppermint is for everything. Mild head discomfort, you name it, peppermint rocks my world. And I'm pretty sure I know what this is, but maybe I don't. Yay! I feel like my Essential Rewards orders are getting so boring because I'm making sure that we're stocked up on probiotics and Ningxia Red because it's a winner for our family. So you keep seeing probiotics and Ningxia Red for that reason. So that, guys, is my essential. Oh no, it's not! Yay! Oh, isn't that fun when you find one more? Yay! It's like Christmas in here. 2 more. Oh yes, I do remember ordering this. Okay, I got spearmint for free. Phenomenal in the diffuser with citrus oils. Love that one. And then I got Peace and Calming for a gift. But I'm not gonna say who because if they're watching, then they'll be like, oh my goodness. Please let me know in the comments down below. Do you want to see the supplements for Disney and essential oils? Which ones we took with us were a must? And then also let me know about the live videos or making sure that they're consistent. And do you have a preference which day? I don't think you do, because I don't with other YouTubers. I just watch when they put new content out. But I like knowing what to expect and what day. So yay for back to school. It means I'll be able to film a little bit. It's a little bit quieter here, get some stuff done, and then go pick them up. And we've got potato soup in the crock pot, so that'll be good. In 2 weeks from today, I am going to pick a winner for spearmint essential oil. So I love this. I know I got it in my Essential Rewards order, but as I'm filming, I'm like, you know what? I want to give something away and just tell you guys I love you. So spearmint is amazing. I love it in my diffuser. It's super, super yummy. It's good with any citrus oil or those deep woodsy oils. Just gives it a little bit of a kick. I don't know. I just like it. It's bright and fresh. So what I want you to do is like this video, comment down below anything you want, maybe one of those things that I already asked you guys about. And that is it. I will put your names in a random generator and then I will message you here on YouTube. And if I don't hear from you within 24 hours, I'm going to pick another winner. That way I can make sure that somebody gets this prize because I love you guys. So comment, like, and then share. And if you do share this video, leave me a comment down below and let me know where you shared it. Was it in your group? Was it wherever? Just share the video and share the oily love as I'm sharing some oily love with you guys. All right, guys, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I love you and appreciate you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.